Hello friends, today we will study about the definition of dimensional analysis, definition of dimensional equation and how to find the dimensional equation for power and force. So let's first see the definition of dimensional analysis. The dimensions of a physical quantity are the powers to which fundamental units must be raised in order to obtain the unit of a given physical quantity. The units of fundamental quantities are represented by L as in length, m as in mass, t as in time, k as in temperature, I as in current, c as luminous intensity, and mole as amount of substance. Now let's see the definition of dimensional equation. An expression which gives the relation between the derived units and fundamental units in terms of dimensions is called a dimensional equation. Now we will see how to find the dimensions of power and force. So let's first see how to find the dimensions of power. Power P is given as ratio of W upon T, that is work per unit time, where work is given as force into displacement. Therefore, it can be written as P is equal to Fs upon T, where force is mass into acceleration. Therefore, it can be written as mass into acceleration multiplied by s, that is displacement, divided by time, where a is acceleration and it can be given as acceleration is velocity per time. So acceleration can be substituted here by v by t. Therefore, equation becomes mv by t into s by t, where v is velocity, that is displacement per unit time. So it can be written as m into s divided by t into t multiplied by displacement upon time. So the equation becomes m into s square divided by t cube, where m is in mass, s is displacement, so it can be expressed in terms of L, and t as time. So the dimensional equation for power is L square m1 t raised to minus 3. T raised to minus 3 has come because here t cube is in the denominator, and s square, that is displacement square, is expressed in terms of L. So it's L2, m is having only 1 as its power, so L2 m1 t minus 3 is the dimensional equation for power. Similarly, now we will see how to find the dimensional equation for force. Force is given by the formula force is equal to mass into acceleration, where acceleration is velocity upon time. Therefore, it can be written as m into v by t. However, velocity is given as displacement upon time, that is s by t. So, equation can be written as m into s by t into 1 by t. So, final equation becomes m into s divided by t square, where m is in mass, s is displacement which can be expressed in terms of L, and t is time. So, as s and m are having only the power as 1, it can be written as L1, m1 and t to the power minus 2, because t square is in the denominator. So, the dimensional equation for force is L1 m1 t minus 2. Thank you.